Following an injury or surgery, you may be required to wear a sling. Your doctor will tell you how long to wear this for. This video will show you how to correctly fit and remove a polysling. You will find various attachments with your sling. The shoulder strap is already firmly attached to the sling. The immobilizer strap is velcroed into place. This fastens around the waist to ensure your arm stays fixed to your trunk. You will have two closure straps. The D-ring closure strap must be placed at the wrist end of the sling. This strap holds two D-rings. One D-ring is placed closest to the body and the other sits on top of the forearm. Place your forearm in the sling and then pull the sling tight around your elbow. Adjust the length of your sling by folding it back at your wrist and ensure that you are fitting the D-ring strap so that it is closest to your wrist. Position the shoulder strap around the back of your neck and take the immobilizer strap around your lower back. Ensure there are no folds or creases along this. If you have support at home, then you may benefit from some assistance here. Thread the immobilizer strap through the D-loop and then Velcro fasten it behind you. Next, take the shoulder strap through the D-loop and position your arm at approximately 90 degrees. You may have been told that you can remove your sling when washing, changing your clothes, or carrying out some gentle physiotherapy exercises. Sticking each Velcro strap back onto itself will prevent the straps from sticking to one another and getting tangled together.